What's going on, everybody? Robert Silver here, and today I'm going to show you how to master the perfect selfie using just one light source. Now today I'll be using the GVM SD650B LED light with the Ambitful 90cm Softbox. Now this setup has been a game changer for my self-portraits, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to use a setup similar to mine to create professional quality shots without needing a full studio. Now this is the Ambitful Softbox. I've never used a softbox. It was sent to me to try out and talk about, and I decided the best way to talk about this is with a photo shoot. And I decided to update my self-portraits. I realized my portraits are about 3 years old. This is the Ambitful 90cm Parabolic Softbox, a beautiful deep modifier designed to create incredibly soft wrapping light. The deeper parabolic shape gives you natural fall off, smooth shadows, and that pro level glow that instantly upgrades your selfie game. What I love most is how easy it is to set up and how consistent the light looks. If you're shooting portraits, video interviews, beauty work, or in today's case, your own self-portraits, this softbox gives you that cinematic softness without a complicated setup. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying these live streams and want to support the channel, you could join as a channel member right here on YouTube. Memberships start at just $2.99 a month, and it's a great way to help me keep creating honest gear reviews, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes content. Members get early access to videos, exclusive content, and for higher tier members, private monthly live streams, and you'll be a member of my Discord chat. And of course, I'll always continue to share resources that'll help you grow as a photographer or filmmaker. No pressure at all. Just your support means a lot, and it helps keep this channel independent. If that sounds good, hit the join button below, and I'll see you in the chat. One of the biggest mistakes people make when taking selfies is relying on overhead lights, harsh window light, or the worst of all, the phone screen as a flashlight. But when you use one controlled soft light, everything changes. You get beautiful skin tones, smooth gradient fall off when it comes to the shadows, catch lights in the eyes, light that flatters every face shape. A pro look, even if you're just using the camera from your cell phone. And that's the magic of a good softbox, especially something as deep and smooth as the Ambitful. So let's get practical. The first step is where you place your light. I like to position the softbox about 45 degrees to the side, slightly above eye level, angling it down toward my face about 45 degrees or so that it creates more of natural shadows that will sculpt my facial features without making the image look dramatic or harsh. Now, too low makes you look spooky, and too high, you begin to lose some detail. Too far to the side, well, now you're starring in a film noir scene. This 45-degree angle with the softbox is that sweet spot for most of my self-portraits. Next is exposure. Whether you're using a mirrorless camera or smartphone, the key is protect your highlights. Soft light still creates bright areas on the face, so don't blow them out. Now, let's talk about these camera settings. Put your ISO as low as possible and open up that aperture as wide as possible, whether it's f4 or all the way up to 1.8, depending on your lens. Now, your shutter speed, I would match that to your environment and turn on your face detection if your camera has that capability. With softboxes, you get smooth light, but also very consistent output, which makes dialing in exposure super easy. Here are my go-to framing tips. Leave headroom and don't crop too tight. Use the rule of thirds and place your eyes along the top line. Avoid placing your head dead center unless you're going for a bold, strong, symmetrical look. Use slight angles of your head to create more depth. And don't be afraid to step away from the background. And trust me, stepping away from the background is the secret sauce. It creates separation, depth, and a much more professional vibe. Alright, enough talking. Let's take an actual shot using the Ambitful Parabolic Softbox using the exact setup I just talked about. Now look at that. Soft gradients, clean shadow fall off, and a flattering glow, all from one light. So here's my honest opinion. I absolutely recommend the Ambitful Parabolic Softbox because if you're building out a studio or if you need a modifier that's very travel friendly, or heck, if you're trying to level up this selfie game, this softbox is absolutely worth it, especially when you compare it to the higher end modifiers that can easily cost 3 to 4 times more. You just don't need to spend that extra money to get the pro level results anymore. It's just really a waste of money. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like, turn on your notifications, and yes, subscribe for more photography and filmmaking gear reviews and tips. Of course, I'll leave a link down below for you to check out all of the gear that I mentioned, and especially the Ambitful Parabolic Softbox. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.